Hey there, thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're looking for a website for your delivery service, then you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website for your business using the Mighty Sites platform. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. So once you've registered an account on the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, delivery service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's Mighty start a few basic details about our delivery service so I can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your delivery service is operating, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my delivery service business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images with your branding. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content to suit your business a little bit better. You can do that. It's super simple. To use the Mighty Sites platform, you don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web professional or have any of those skills. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you either. You can do this all yourself. So today that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm quickly going to make my way to the first section at the top and go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and put in our company email address over here as well as our phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put that phone number in, which is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop my physical location in here if I have one that is. The great thing about that physical location when your website is live and your customers click on it on the top left hand corner, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and pop our social media platforms in over here. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's go ahead and upload our logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on this little pencil over here to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, and filter it, add filters if need be. On the right here is where you can make it bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to change it to suit your branding, your logo, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. If you need to make any amendments to the content or images for each section, click on Update Section underneath and head over to Update Image. Now, over here, you can browse your device and upload some of your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free for you to use. When you head over to Update Content, you can change the title, subtitle, and all the content for each section. Buttons can link to various places, and you can change the text on them. This one currently says contact us today. Go ahead and choose the link. You can link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings, for example. Otherwise, you can link to an action, click to call directions, click to email. A great option is to upload a PDF file with your current promotions, offers, or like a brochure of your business. Awesome. Look at that. And the last section over here is where your customers can reach out to you. All they need to do is put in their contact details, click on send, and you will get notified via a registered email address that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you've recently launched your business, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites website to make your Mighty Sites website look even more professional. Over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you'll find the leads via that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your delivery service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, perhaps any questions or concerns, do comment below or drop us a message. We'd really love to hear your feedback.